In this session, we will be talking about a new widget called the Alert Dialog. So, an alert dialog is a useful feature that notifies the user with important information to make a decision or provide the ability to choose a specific action. So, in simple words, if you want to give something like a pop up alert, or the user has to select yes or no or confirm, for those things we can use an alert dialog box. What are the key properties of the box? Those are actions, that is the set of actions that are displayed at the bottom of the dialog, typically buttons, which I already discussed is cancel or I agree, those kind of buttons. Then title, the title of the dialog is displayed in a large font at the top of the dialog. In simple words, suppose are you sure, or warning, or important, these kind of keywords. Then content, this gives a message description about the title which you have provided. So it can be simply like, are you sure you want to deactivate your account? Then from the actions you can have yes, I am, or no. That's just a scenario I'm saying. Then simply background color or elevation. So to show an alert, you must have to call show dialog function, which contains the context and the item builder function. So here you can see the syntax show dialog, then context will accept the context, and the builder is a function which returns an alert dialog. So let's try it on our own. In the last video we did till here. Now when the validation is true and the form is saved, then we can show a dialog like show dialog, and then in the context it will be context, but in the builder there will be a function which returns an alert dialog. Okay, so in the alert dialog, the title property I will use as thank you, suppose. Then in the content I will write the text form submitted successfully, submitted successfully. Then in the actions, that is what are the buttons I would like to provide, or some kind of action that the user will take from this alert dialog. I will have, sorry, not text. I would have an elevated button which will write text and simply okay. And after when the user click on this okay, I want this dialog to disappear, that is to pop out. Usually what you can do is something like done, then you can also navigate to different screen, or if you have a cancel button, then this navigator dot pop function you have to use, so that the user again this removes the dialog box from the screen and get back again to the previous screen. Let's see, name I will write Flutter, and password 123456. then submit, and see, this I was talking about, this kind of pop-up with the title. You have thank you, and the content here. And when I click on this OK button, see that dialog box or alert box disappears. And also, apart from actions, these are the properties it accepts. There is elevation, there is background color. If you write background colors dot red accent, and then padding around the content, and see, you can give padding, title padding and all. In the shape you can have rounded rectangle border or anything like this. So you can have rounded rectangular border, border radius dot circular. I will give 10. Let's see again what this background color and shape does to our alert dialog box. Now in the name I will write Flutter again, password 123456. Now when I click on submit, see the color is red and the borders are looking very good here because it's rounded. So you can say it can be an alert that is something went wrong or anything like that. It's up to you. And if you click anywhere outside also, then also the alert dialog disappears. So it's not always necessary. We can, if we want, we can also make sure that doesn't happen. But I guess there is a different property for that. If you want to study more about it, you can just explore on your own. But a basic, we have now learned how to use a basic alert dialog in our Flutter application. So in the next session or the next video, we will also talk about a new widget, which is the snack bar. Thank you.